So I just came up this road. I was dropping off my postal stuff, and I was going to a new post office, and I got pretty rowdy right here. But my camera didn't work. Car coming, can't get rowdy. It's really all about how many people are around, and so maybe the next one. It's a little damp out, so you really got to watch out for that. Conditions or everything, but it kind of helps me in this car because it's a little bit down on power, so that kind of helps it slip a little bit better. Well, looks like I can't drift the whole thing because there's train tracks. Awesome smoke rolling in. Oh yeah, and maybe we can hit this next corner. I do not recommend doing this. I am a professional. I have destroyed cars doing this already. Haven't driven my car since we got back from California. Went and picked it up. Oh, it's nice and smoky in here. And the post office just happened to be right by the Speedway. We're about to drive by the Speedway. Oh, I know people at the Speedway, but they won't let me drift. They do not want me to drift. But I want to drift because it keeps my reaction sharp. It keeps me doing good work. And what is this? This is IndyCar Series. Interesting. This looks like a pretty nasty little parking lot to rip around. Oh, I want to drift this so bad. It's pretty legit to drift, but it's a little bit too close to the road, and that'll, like, people will see it, people being the cops ultimately. Don't want to get in trouble, but we can do a quick, like the other thing is if you're gonna do this, you kind of need to scope out the parking lot a little bit, and so we can do a quick little just kind of scoping the parking lot out. This section's a little bit more wet, which might be good for me, but ultimately we can do the big flick and then split in between here maybe. Okay, so let's look at this again. So we're just gonna make this real quick, in and out. Do the old flick. You might be able to, like, run in between them. My car is so low that I have to kind of keep an eye on the surface, you know, if there's potholes or whatever. So but it looks like that section's not terrible, and we're gonna bounce in and out real quick. Oh yeah, quick little route. as shit. Ugh! I don't get to play at the racetrack. It's all business, you know? And so this just lets me kind of wild out. And if you didn't know, over here by the Speedway, it's not the nicest of areas. So nobody really cares. It's great. I should have turned right there, but I'm not trying to hide. I'm not really too worried about cops over here. So nice to get to shake down the old Z a little bit. Get to go slidey slide. It's interesting because I am big on the toss, you know, like, and the way I was going in and back and forth, I almost sometimes do that at the track. Like any kind of paperclip track, I'm heaving the car pretty hard, and it's like a technique I use to ultimately not have to lift or use the brakes to get the car to turn in the corner. You know, so I'll come off the corner with it like this, and I'll get it on the left rear really hard and bend it down on the left rear. And in my mind, that also gets the left rear down and sets you up to like just send it in there with left rear down and everything. Because a lot of times, if you just come off the corner and arc the thing straight down the straightaway, it's hard to get the thing to turn without breaking momentum. And so if you do the old like ultimately you gotta, the Geneva flick is what I'm gonna call it. It works really well with the sprint car and the midget as well. And hey, I'll run some footage and show you guys what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so this is a normal corner, but I kind of get wide off the corner, and so I do what's really called the feint, not the Geneva flick. But then I get wide again off here, and so I do it again here. Let it fling down for a second and just use the momentum of the car to help swing it into the corner. That was just back and steering. Alright, I can't help it. The easiest place to go have fun is like the industrial parks. And this is a brand new industrial area in Brownsburg. So this is probably a terrible idea, but I thought I would just go scoop it out anyways. You know, you gotta do a little bit of research. Like that goes to a dead end. And it's like behind the bushes. Man, what an interesting little area. I need to go check this out a little bit more because I'm all about this. I'm all about this. Shipping, oh, it's probably just like a back way. But because it's a back way, there's like probably nobody around here. And it's by the freeway, which means it's wide. Ooh. Batman turn. Oh, yes. Oh, man. I just found a nice little huck area because that's a wide enough area with nobody coming and going, shipping and receiving, but they're not open yet. My car is a little on the loud side, so that's not good, but I do have a muffler on it, so there is that. Oh yeah, it's Saturday. I got some Christmas shopping to do. That's what I should be doing. Went to my buddy Landon's and got something from the Hayloft in Brownsburg, the cutest little boutique bakery where they sell cookies and bakery stuff and even like steaks and all kinds of stuff. Went to Jack's Donuts, got myself a boba because I enjoy these drinks. And as always, thanks so much for being a member. These membership videos really do help. Generates a little bit of extra money for me. And I got a ton of editing to do and a lot of videos coming up. I drive race cars. I'm not a editor, you know, and it takes like 4 cameras to do my episodes, and I have like 25 memory cards with 4 cameras of episodes worth of footage. I got to go through and find it all and then put it together. I'm so not good at organizing the footage and saving it, and but I am excited to have the winter. I'm looking forward to the winter, to just kind of like a little bit of relaxation time, which we don't have. PRI next week, Des Moines the week after, Christmas the following week, and then Chili Bowl. I'm going to try to go to the shootout, I think, to bring Tmeztv there, and so the winter, you know, the holiday season is pretty short, but I am excited to get my kids tomorrow. I haven't seen them for a couple of weeks since I went to California. Mom had them, and I did go. I went and met them at the doctor's because Carly got her cast cut off, and got to say hi for a little bit. So excited for Monday, my edit day at the house, nothing to do, have my kids, you know, get back to a little bit of normal routine. Yeah, I need to do some Christmas shopping, and I just wanted to go whip the Z around a little bit, get a play in my fun car, play with my handbrake, and just so you know, when I use this, I have to push the clutch in to use this, and so there is some footwork there. I wanted to put a camera down there, but didn't get too crazy with footage today. Just wanted to enjoy my day, and a lot of times making footage, having, you know, if I don't have anybody with me to film, it's a lot of setup work for me. But really enjoyed this YouTube channel. It is so close to giving me the freedom to do whatever I want to do, because I'm making a little bit of money, and you know, people are watching my stuff, and I'm so thankful